Hi everybody, my name is Amina and this is my vlog about digital health and wellness. Today I'm going to discuss on the topic of screen time control, which is troublesome topic for every teenager. So what do we know about this problem? New technologies such as mobile and interactive screen media are involved in a person's life on a daily basis. Electronic devices have definitely brought improvements in such spheres like learning, communication, and information spreading all around the world. But recent studies show that the use of screen-based media can have serious negative effects on our health in the long-term period, making this a public health concern. So according to a Svitolria 2020 study, in the survey taken among the parents, 49% of parents say their children spend more than 6 hours a day in front of screens, which is 500% more than before COVID-19, and 26% of children are online for more than 8 hours a day. As an example case, we can take my phone screen time I spend on my weekends. More than 9 hours I use my phone during a day, which from 7 hours on social media, TikTok, YouTube, and Chrome used as the most used apps. Next is the result for a 1 week. We can clearly see here that I spent more than 8 hours each day on my smartphone last week. Despite the way we talk about this problem, screens are a part of everyone's life these days. While there's growing evidence showing the negative effects of screen time on adults and children, we can improve our health by cutting back on the amount of time spent in front of the screen. Special for this, I prepared 4 tips how to reduce your screen time easily without any hesitations. Tip number 1. Turn off your app notifications. Disable your social media notifications so that you only see them when you open the application. Removing alerts may also reduce the chance of you being engrossed in social media by keeping you from checking your phone whenever you hear a buzz or a ping. You're less likely to think of or use social media if you're not constantly reminded who likes, follows, or interacts with you. Tip number 2. Utilize other apps. You can get help with your No Social Media Challenge with an extensive number of smartphone apps. If you still need to be close to your phone but want to take a break from it, these solutions are ideal. They range from applications that measure and limit your screen time to widgets that temporarily disable your social media activity. With a focus on productivity, these apps help you live and work more efficiently while reducing the amount of time you spend on social media. Tip number 3. Delete social media apps. One of the best strategies for cutting back on usage and refocusing is to delete social media. You have the option to completely erase your account or just remove the app, in which case your data and account will be accessible upon future logins. Tip number 4. Find a new hobby. Making time for a new activity is one advantage of going on a social media detox. Many prefer to engage in activities such as cooking, sports, or painting that can be done away from a phone or computer, in keeping with the digital detox concept. Because they foster creativity, increase endorphins, and promote a more mindful style of living, these activities have a beneficial effect on our mental health.